what do you think are your key strengths that allows you to grow faster in the future or to grow sustainably as we talked about in the future?
I just recently talked to one investor, and I like the phrase. Actually, that investor was one of the general manager of top-end funds in US, and I was curious why he just talking to us so early, and I asked him why he's so bullish about the market we operate at, and he told me one actually a phrase which sit very deeply in my mind now. So some companies might run slow until they run very fast. And this is actually the challenge always to explain to investors because they typically look on your historical data and actually extrapolate that, but it's not how market work and not how business, especially deep tech business. I'm in a deep tech business. It's all about growing slowly, but investing in the technology, accumulating significant parts of the technology together, and then that, well, theoretically is supposed to be the moment that they grow fast, and the majority of the companies either die on the way or lose the focus or lose the patience. And that brings me to the point that I really work hard to not to lose
Okay.
motivation, neither myself nor the team. It's super hard, but important.
Yeah. So you're saying working very hard not to lose motivation, right? As you continue to reinvest and build that
Yes.
technology, which might allow you to scale faster in the future.
Motivation means trust in the future, and it's not so easy to maintain the trust,
Yeah.
especially over the multiple years.
Yeah. And how do you manage that? How do you manage that pressure or that stress that it's create?
By sharing with the team, I'm a transparent person as a like in the private life, but then also try to be transparent in the business as well. Meaning that so okay, in the company we have the culture, the management share with all team all financials. I mean, just employees know how much money we have in bank, what are projections, what are assumptions, what are scenarios, and how we perform. I don't hesitate to share good things, to say bad things, but yeah, I mean, it's insane to hold the pressure only yourself.